We're approaching the old city gate of Prague, Czech Republic. So that structure represents. Pwede pala yung sakyan, Hana, mag-sightseeing, oh. That's a sakyan, oh. So you have contrast of modern buildings here, no, and the old Prague or Praha. Of course, this is also siguro not so new, no, na structures. We're enjoying our walk here in Prague. Tayo nakita ng mga kababayan dito. Hello, kabayan. Sightseeing tours here. The old city entrance, ito ba? No? Very. Let us go ni. Ayan, no? Ayan. The old building. Galing. Yun yung pagkagawa nito, no? Centuries old na to, and yet hindi pa rin affected, even mga lindol. Nice one, no? From the other angle here. Kabilang side. Tingnan natin. Seska Narodny Banka. Bangko ata to, eh. Huh? Ganda talaga ng Prague. Just have another look in the building from this side. Galing, no?